How to activate your First Republic debit card. Hello guys and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'm going to teach you and show you how you can activate your First Republic debit card. So let's begin. So if you didn't know, First Republic was seized and then sold to Chase Bank. So if you want to activate your First Republic debit card, which now is known as Chase, so you can just go ahead and do so. So to do that, you will need to just head over to chase.com/activate. So this is how you do it. This is the steps by Chase Bank themselves. So what you can do is directly go to your chase.com/activate. So let's head over there, chase.com/activate, and it should take us to the activation website. So here you can see activate the option. Now, after you have gotten your card, you can sign in and activate it. So just sign in into your account from here and then follow the prompts. Then you will have activated your account. I mean your debit card. And that's basically all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.